Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the different ways of retrieving or slicing an image from an original image. So let's get started. I have this original image which has water bottle in a table which has a orange cloth. So it has wall background. Now I want to cut this set of water bottles alone to a different image where I can use it in a for different purpose. Okay, let's get started. So, the first and easiest tool which you can use in most of the scenarios is the quick selection tool. I click on this, I zoom little bit, I use control plus to zoom in and control minus to zoom out. Now, and the angle bracket, the next to P, the left bracket will reduce the brush size and the right bracket will increase the brush size. I'm going to select more little smaller brush size. Okay, this seems to be fine. Now without releasing the mouse button, I start my click and I just slowly drag my mouse to the nearby areas. As I move my mouse, automatically the selection tool will start selecting the regions closer to the area moved by the mouse. So see here, I slowly move near. It's selecting the uniform, the similar region, and okay, this seems to be fine now with the outline getting selected. Now I press Ctrl J, which will copy only the particular image to a new layer. Okay, so this is one way of doing this. After which I have to zoom in and delete the areas whichever I don't want. So I select delete button and in the brush I select a soft brush so that and I reduce the brush size by pressing the left angle square bracket and, I slowly delete the area. As you can see, it seems to be okay now. So this is one way of doing it. Okay. Now the other way, I'm going to hide this layer. The other way of doing this is we have something called the pen tool here. We have pen tool. I select this pen tool and I zoom in. I just adjust so that I can see the entire image. I start selecting the region and without moving the mouse I can just bend the layer. Suppose I extend in this way, I have to I want to reduce delete this anchor point. I have to press alt and click on the source point so that the rest of the thing will get trimmed off. Now it is selected. Now I press Control Enter and the region will get selected. I have to press Control J and the same layer will get selected. So this is another way. This is my original layer. And this is the layer I selected through the quick selection tool, and this is the second layer. Okay, we have one more tool as below the quick selection tool, which is the magic wand tool. By using the magic wand, we can select similar areas and delete it. it's going to be the reverse way. I click on magic wand and automatically the areas are selected. Okay, I have to select this image and click on I press Ctrl D to deselect. Now I click on magic wand. You see the similar areas are selected. Okay, before I can continue, I have to take a copy. I press Alt and drag it, and in this region I delete the similar areas. Now the walls. Okay, here I have to be more cautious because I select this one. The Photoshop considers the cap also as the similar layer. So I'll omit this. So these areas I have to use the rubber tool to manually select, manually erase the pixels. So this is a little bit tedious work, but might be useful where you have. It all depends on the photo source you have. If the source is uniform like the one I had, you can the quick selection or the magic wand will come into picture. But if you want to erase, you want to take out a face from the group photo, then magic wand or the quick selection might not be of help. You have to go with this pen tool. Now, okay, there is one button here called the history brush. The history layer which will track all the all the changes done in the session so far. So example, this is my original image. I did this, then I deselected, I used the magic wand, I cleared this. Suppose you have by mistake you have done this, as in our scenario I have done this and I want to go to the original image. I click on this and it takes me to the history. Now layer ordered. Yes. So I click on this original and all my layers are gone. Now I click on this layer ordered. I have this one, but without array, without erased portion. So I click on Control D and I get back my original thing. So we have covered the quick selection, magic wand, the eraser tool. We also have a magic eraser tool which will erase the similar area. I okay. I've enabled this portion by clicking on the by clicking on the magic eraser tool, it will erase the similar areas. You see, so this is same as using magic wand and then deleting ourselves. Instead of that, this magic eraser is going to delete the similar areas. Again, it has deleted the water bottle caps. So this is one way of doing. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll meet in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.